Hello. So here we start again after a little break. We were talking about this valencies of 1 and 2, the variable valencies. So copper, cuprous and cupric we have to remember. For AgAg, we have to remember it together, AgAg, like that. If you see the metal activity series, you will see that these two elements are together only. It is AgAg it's like that, or AgAg it's like that. So Ag and Ag, if you remember together, so Ag and Ag will be having valencies of 1 and 2. So if I can remember only these three elements, I'll show you how you can remember each and every one. Okay, Cu Ag is having valency of 1 and 2, that's done. Now for 2 and 3 valency, just jumping over a little, just for 2 and 3 it will be iron. Iron is already be having a valency of 2, that is very known to us by element called, do you remember this? This is Fe2O3. This is ferric oxide. This is this. So this is basically having a valency of 3. For for sorry, for ferrous, it is having a valency of 2. Iron is the only element normally used having a valency of 2 and 3. Another is 1 and 3. Gold. The yellow metal, we all know, it will be having a valency of 1 and 3. Remaining, so it is very easy to remember the iron is having a valency of 2 and 3. It is very easy to remember gold is having, because of just one metal, gold is having valency of 1 and 3. So if I can remember this part, it's almost done, you see. Just let us revise once again. Copper, silver, mercury, CuAgHg, 1 and 2. For 1 and 3 it will be gold, the yellow metal. For 2 and 3 it will be iron, ferrous and ferric. Now remaining, everyone will be having a valency of 2 and 4. Who are they? First of all, let us consider this one, lead. It is having a valency of 2 and 4. So lead and tin both are having a valency of 2 and 4. Just remember them together, lead and tin. Then platinum and manganese. Just remember this together and it will be done. Basically, if I can remember this three part, it is automatically cancelling down 2 and 4 valency part. Because if you see, if I can bring the feel like that, it is a cuprous and cupric for copper, and argentus and argentic for silver, and for mercury Hg1 plus and Hg2 plus, that is hydrocarium. And for 1 and 3 I know it's a yellow metal. For 1 and 3 remember yellow metal, it's arsenic. For 2 and 3 it is ferrous and ferric, the metal which may not look so good but very widely used in industry. Iron, rest everyone having 2 and 4, manganese, platinum, tin and lead. You can remember like this also, or you can go SnPb PTMn or SnPb MnPt. I would like that, SnPb MnPt. SnPb MnPt. Not bad. You can remember this. You can put it over here like this and we can remember SnPb MnPt. So thank you guys. See you later from Zoopmates classes. Thanks.